Hello adventurers and welcome back to my channel. I am at Ober Gatlinburg in the locker area, putting away my things, strapping on the GoPro, and about to go on an adventure with you guys. So buckle up because this one is going to be a wild one. Okay guys, this is a view on the way to the Alpine coaster. And as we pass by it, you'll be able to see it kind of off to the right hand side over here. That's that little beige-ish tan off-white colored slide over here to the side. That is what we're going to be doing, and it goes halfway up the mountain to get there, and then we'll stop off, and once we stop off, the fun will begin. For this adventure today, I do have on the chest mount, so we're going to be putting you guys right here, and you'll be able to see the entire ride. I love doing this. You guys have said that you really enjoy seeing all the coasters, so this is going to be super fun, and I am ready. Let's go. Okay, there it is below us, guys. We're going to be sliding down that in just a minute. Yay, I can't wait. And this lift beside us looks like it actually ferries the carts back up to the top. So this is the older lift that obviously we're not using, and so they've made use of it by putting the carts on it, which is really clever because I was wondering how the carts got back to the top without somebody having to like drive them up or something. That's cool. 2 people are coming down right now. We're gonna be there in just a few minutes. And I'm a little anxious because I have never done one of these. I've only ever done the mountain coasters, and this is very different. Yay, thank you. Okay guys, this is crazy. Oh. Definitely had to push the brake a little bit when you hit the curves, guys. Woo! That was fun. Okay guys, we just have to get down to this bottom part, then we're going to drag our sled out. Okay guys, from start to finish, that was the Alpine slide here at Ober Gatlinburg. You go up to the very top using the little sky lift, and then take a series of twists and turns until you get down here. And then as you exit, you return your slide cart right over here. It was super fun. I will say this is very different than a mountain coaster. It is a very different sensation when you're going down the mountain, and I could definitely feel a little bit more anxiety as I went into some of those curves. They say slow down for a reason, because otherwise it'll make a little bunny hop as it passes through there. And I have to say that it happened a couple times and my heart might have skipped a couple beats. So all in all, even though I don't feel like it goes quite as fast as a mountain coaster, you are literally right on the ground, so you feel everything, and it is exhilarating. So I definitely recommend you guys coming out to Ober Gatlinburg and checking out the Alpine Slide. Now, these are kind of based off of the land luges that they have over in Switzerland, so this is the closest that we're probably gonna get here in the States, unless we go to like an Olympic training facility. So definitely come check out the Alpine Slide at Ober. Till next time, guys, bye.